This is How To Life Guide. Today I'll show you how to change out your faucet aerator. You want an aerator key if it requires one. I know most Delta models do, and this is an aerator. You can get them from Amazon, and you can also look and see if they sell them at the brand that it came from, their website. But let's hop right into it. First things first, you grab the correct size, you put it in there, and then you're gonna want to turn it to the right, technically left. Get it fully unscrewed here. I recently just changed these ones out, so this one's gonna be fresh and clean. However, the ones before were extremely dirty, and you can use CLR and dilute it with water and let it sit in there for 5 minutes, or you can grab a citric acid and grab 1 tablespoon mixed with 1 cup of warm water, mix it together and let it sit in there for about 5 to 10 minutes. All right, faucet aerator is off, and if you see right there, it is no longer on the inside. You're gonna make sure that this little rubber piece is not stuck inside your faucet. See the brand that I bought? You could put like a flathead or possibly a penny or a quarter in there and unscrew it if you would like. I got these off Amazon. I think it was like $7 for a pack of 3 or so. Once that's done and you've got your new ones, you do the exact same. I highly suggest you look in there and see if there's any buildup and flush it out. Once that's been cleaned, make sure it's seated properly. It's been placed back in. As you can see, it's right there. And if we turn it on, it works wonders. And right here, I have the citric acid. So again, if you would like to use this, just use 1 tablespoon. If it's really built up, I would suggest using 2 tablespoons to 1 cup ratio. Stir it together, mix it up or whatnot, and then boom, you got yourself a working faucet. If you liked and enjoyed, please subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Something to note, they do make different sizes for different faucets, so make sure you measure out before you end up buying, multiple sets. Previously, I bought this one. It did not fit my current sink, and so I bought this little box right here off of Amazon, and it came with the whole set for all many different types of sinks, and it was very helpful because we had different sizes in the house. So I hope that helps. I'll see y'all next time. Thank you for watching.